Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate your SendGrid account to your AEvent account. So from the dashboard, you just have to go to integrations. Once there, you just have to click on Add Integration on the upper right-hand side, and the Set up a new integration window will pop up. Just look for SendGrid and then just click on Add Integration. You can name it however you want, but we highly recommend that you label it with SendGrid just so to easily identify the integration. So once you're done naming your SendGrid integration, just click on Connect and you will be prompted for your API key for SendGrid. Once you have your API key in there, just click on Continue and you'll get a prompt saying that the integration was added successfully. So once we have successfully added it, please click on test to make sure that the API connection is successful. And as you can see, we have successfully integrated and tested SendGrid to your AEvent account. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And that's all for this video. See you on the next one.